Hello, this is a screen tutorial on how to use the Learn Online function on the Housing Care Project website. If you click on Learn, you'll see this page where you can register for the site, and registering enables you to track your progress so the system will remember you and you can be certified at the end and take quizzes, etc. Or you can take the course without any of those things, without registration, but you won't have those benefits. If we click on register, the system needs some personal details. Make sure to use a secure password and tick privacy policy, then register. You will need to verify your email to approve registration for the site, and then return here. I've verified my email, so now that I can log into the system. With the details that I provided on registration. And now I have a dashboard where I can see my profile details, change them. It will tell me which courses I am engaged in, which I've completed, how many certificates I have, etc. So we return to the course page now and take the first module's digital literacy skills. Each module has a PowerPoint that you can click through on the website simply by clicking anywhere, or you can download a PowerPoint for later use on your device. Once you've gone through the content, you can take a quiz. Start quiz, it is now available. So most quizzes are multiple choice. You can read the question and fill in the answer and click next. And you will receive results at the end.